Hey everybody, so for several months I've been using a Polemaster to get perfect polar alignment on my German Equitorial Mount. And during a recent live stream, I actually went through the process of polar aligning because I accidentally kicked my mount. So here it is, the process in under 5 minutes on how you can get perfect polar alignment using a Polemaster.
Okay, connect. I always just punch it to the maximum. Finished.
Here we have Polaris in the center, which I need to tell the Polemaster which star is Polaris and ensure that it is aligned with the guide in order to start the process of polar aligning.
No. Probably kicked it a couple times. So right now I'm just going through the Polemaster polar alignment program. This works really easy with the mouse with the... Yeah, I can't do it with the... Direction. So oh shoot. Yeah, I didn't listen to instructions. That said reset. Choose a star other than Polaris. This guy right here. That was probably a bat flying in front of the camera, just FYI. Alright. Alright, there we go. That's at least 30 degrees.
So it's important that you get the target at the center of the star and you remember where you put it, even if it's like off to one side, because you need to repeat that every single time you hit the star. So here you'll see I'm taking extra time to ensure I do get the center of the star with the pointer.
Another 30 degrees. Alright.
So it's important here that you ensure that the star stays on the green circle.
Correct. Double click on Polaris, and I'm probably pretty off at this point with all the changes I've been making. Alright. Put Polaris. Oh, it's not too bad. That is surprisingly, shockingly. Oh my god. Oh,
At this point, I am changing the altitude and azimuth knobs to move the Polaris into the center of the target circle.
So despite all that craziness, I actually only slightly bumped it. Alright.
The final step of the Polemaster alignment process is called monitoring. And what this does is using the star alignments gives a real-time output of where pole should be versus where the mount is actually pointing.
Alright. What's it saying? It's pretty close. Go and
again, making some very slight adjustments to the knobs on the Equitorial Mount, I'm able to precisely polar align my mount.
okay. And that is how we polar align things. And I should probably clip the video at this point and say, hey, I just made a video on how to polar align.